in our bookstore app, we're gonna have a lot of box, not only one box. So imagine you want to use this book card component to render more than one book, for example. Let's duplicate this and press save. If you see here, those are the same box with the same title, with the same author name, and with the same price and cover. So we want to make it changes in our component when we render it. So today we're gonna learn props in React. Props in React.js and React Native is the mechanism for passing data from parent component to child component. For example, from here, from this home screen to this book card component. And this props is immutable. I mean, it's are read-only. They cannot be modified, okay? But it got dynamic values that we can update when parent component re-renders. Let me show you how to use props easily. Inside this React component, just add the props object like this. Okay? And look at your component and see what are the things that you want to change. For example, the cover image and the book name. Let's start with the book name. It's an easy one. If you just type this soul, because we type here soul, it appear in the three of them is soul. If we just type AAA, will appear AAA in all box. But what if you just pass here props dot title, for example, and press save. Now in the three box, our props are disappeared. Our title is disappeared, because we've passed the title as a prop. So if we want to show it, we need to go to our parent component and to add it here. Title. For example, here, let's make it soul, and title here. Let's make it, for example, second. And for the title here, let's make it 333, for example. Now when we press save, look, the first book is become soul, the second one is become second because we type here second, the third one is 333. Those are the titles. You have to make sure of something. This prop title here must be the same as here. So for example, if you just add E here and press save, names are disappeared because this name here must be the same here. Okay, now let's return it, and now let's try to change our price also. So let's copy this 25 and add props dot price and press save and go to add the price property to those box. So go to home screen and add the first here, price is gonna be 30. The second is gonna be, for example, let's make it 20. The third is gonna be, let's make it 90. Now look, 30, 20, 90. As you add it here, you can make it string because those two O's doesn't appear. So if you just make this a string, it's gonna appear like that. Okay, let's return it. So that was the props easily, but I got a better approach to use props. And this approach is destructing this object. Instead of adding this props, we can destruct them and add here title and price. And instead of props.title, and just remove props dot here and props dot here and press save. The same thing, nothing changed. Let's add a third property for author name. So let's add author name property here. And instead of Olivia Wilson, we're gonna just add author name. Now we need to go to our parent component and to pass our props. So let's go and add author name here. It's gonna be Olivia Wilson. Author name here is gonna be, for example, second. The author name here is gonna be, for example, let's make it 4444, anything. I just want to mention that what if you type here is gonna appear here. So we are passing the data from parent component to child component to make our component customizable, and reusable. So we can render a lot of box. Finally, let's change the image URL here. So instead of this link, we're gonna cut it and add a fourth property. Please pause the video and add it by your own. Like I've added those three, you can try to add the fourth property of image URL. Now pause the video and try to do it. Great. I'm sure you did it, but let me show you how to do it, okay? We're gonna add a third prop called image URI, and instead of the link, we're gonna import it here. Image URI, and press save. Now let's go and add the images. So we're gonna go to our parent component, and in the first component, let's add the last property, image URI, and add your link here. And go for the second component and add image URI property and put your link here. We can get any links from Google. For example, this image, let's copy the link of it and to add it here and press save. Now let's go and get another image from Google or whatever you want, any link that you want, and to add it here, image URI, and press save. Now look, we get 3 box with 3 images and with 3 titles with 3 prices, and you can add more and more and more. So props in React is a way to make our component reusable and have different data.